कर देंगे भाई
Ayo, in the cyclone. Come on, Sarah had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor, like how you know. Sarah got low. Baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turn around and get that big booty slap. She hit the floor, like how you know. Sarah got low. Pakinggan mo ko, eto ng tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pambato, pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, naggagamay. Yung kanin, chicken adobo. Yung balot, binibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pari ko, inuman na tayo. Filipino. Hey yo, Mims, I don't really do this, but something about her is driving me nuisance. I guess it's the way she moving from left to right. She look like that chick from Clueless. Rock it up like Shotty, it's the remix.